Alright, welcome back to another video, everybody. Today, we're in a boat. That being Andrew's boat. He's on his way over there. Blew up that porta potty. But we got all the gear. We got the live scope. We got live scope in the front. We're in Lake Delavan today. Just gonna try to make a day of it and see how we can do. Came here 2 months ago. We had a great multi-species day. So we're gonna see how we do. We got the lake over there. We'll see you guys on the water. All right, there goes Andrew. Got the power poles holding us down while he parks the car. Boat is launched. All that's left is start fishing. There we go. First fish of the day. Net. Get to the net just in case. How's it feel?
Oh no, it's a nice bass.
Oh God.
Oh wow.
Oh God. Okay. Got caught in your reel. It is. Got him. I never fail in the net job. Let's go. Number one.
It just
It
ate it so lightly.
I started recording 11 minutes ago.
Wait.
Oh yeah, drop the point. Yeah, I started recording 11 minutes ago.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Let's see. That's like solid too all day. Hell yeah.
Nice fish.
Beautiful fish.
There you go.
With that sunrise behind us. There he goes.
See what I'm saying? It's this
Beauty.
This area. See it?
A fish. Feels pretty decent. Oh, it's a pike. Pikey guy. Yeah. Alright, net man.
Alright.
You can mess this one up, it's fine.
Like man.
There we go. Oh, that guy, he doesn't care that he's in the net.
No, he's just like
He's okay with it.
He's like, I'm done.
Okay, that's my first fish. That took a while. Freaking hammered it. Well, made it a 25 incher.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Get him back on this side. First fish of the day. See ya, buddy. All right. I got a fish. Nice fish. Oh, it's a nice fish. Popped off. I want to say it was a pike, but I'm not positive. It was a nice fish. Yep, here we go. Net. Net still or no?
Yeah. Looks like it's
Whoa. It hit the net. It hit the net. Yeah, that's a quick release too. Come on. Yep. Wait, am I? Yeah, I am. Oh, dude, it was another pike. Just comes off right there. Yeah, it was a pike. Out. Maybe a little smaller than the first one I caught. What is this floating right here? What's someone's hat? I wish it was my hat.
You should take that hat. You should take that hat. That's a replacement hat.
Oh,
It's a gift. It's a Florida hat too.
yes, this chatterbait doing something. It can't catch a fish, but it can catch a hat. Yo,
Honestly, it's kind of a nice looking hat.
finders keepers. Florida cracker. The original Floridian. All right, let it dry out. Put it on.
Well, before was much bigger than that.
Oh, I'm on. Here we go. It's a pike. And it's the smallest one. We just saw two big ones. Well, hey, dude, it's a fish in a boat. We freaking need something right now. Chatterbait. Oh, he's unhooked. He unhooked himself. Lovely. Oh, he swam out the net. I shit you not, he swam out the net.
Did he really?
He unhooked himself and swam out. I don't even have to touch him. That's
Is there a rip in the hole?
no. He was just that small. He kind of fit through.
Wow.
Hey, I'll take that. He was in the net. It counts. Now I don't gotta touch him.
Oh.
You want the net? Oi. It's a pike kind of day.
I skipped it under the down to the pike.
Where the bass should be.
Yep.
Oh, that's an easy release.
Yeah. I could just feel it.
Oh yeah,
Just
they like tense up.
Yeah.
Here we go. Net.
I don't want to horse.
Oh, I'll get the net then. There we go. Something nice.
Be very careful.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, it's not.
Oh,
Wow. Son of a bitch, put up a fucking flag. Oh wait, no, it's because I got a medium rod.
thought you had. Oh, look at him. He's halfway up the net. He swam out.
It counts.
Yeah, that counts.
That absolutely counts.
And he's unhooked. Dude, that's twice. The tiny pike swim out of this.
Medium heavy. Oh.
That's crazy.
Well,
Quick release.
yeah. Wow, handle.
Oh, I'm on. Yeah, it's small. On the swim jig. Oh no, don't. Yo. Okay, I'm glad I didn't have to touch that fish. Is that the smallest pike you've ever seen?
Yeah.
Congrats.
Yeah.
My GoPro died and I almost missed this catch.
Mm-hmm.
Nice little. Oh, you're against
10.
the sun, so you can't see anything.
Oh, 10 pounder.
Yep, absolutely. And I missed a crappie catch. We found a school of crappie on Lifesco, so I caught one on a swim bait.
I was just hitting. Oh, wow. I just saw a pike come
Here we go.
up.
Net?
Yeah. Wow.
Nice pike?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. There we go. Probably the biggest one of the day.
Wow. Very close. I saw it come up and just.
That's sick. Big swim jig, guys.
Yeah.
See if we can double up with a pike
It
crappie.
goes against everything that you know. Like, they eat swim.
Alright. There's that pike. There he goes. 10 out of 10 dive right there.
Here we go.
I'm on. Nice fish. Nice fish. I swear to God, if it's a walleye. No, it's a pike. I don't need
I
that.
was gonna say, I can't.
Oh, man. Kind of like your pike. You fall like crazy. Oh. Alright. Well, thought you were a lot bigger. Perfect. Easy release.
Now you got it.
I've only caught pike today. And the crappie.
Oh, yeah.
Always locked and loaded. I'm on again. Yeah. It's definitely a pike. Wait. So, yeah, it's a pike. Yeah, he's actually pretty nice. I'll just play him. If he comes off, he comes off.
It's not a bass, it's a pike.
Big pike guy. Big pike guy.
Nice stuff. All right.
Get him. Yes. Come on.
Oh, he's cut up one side.
Oh no, did something get this guy? That's what we're seeing. Something got him good. It's almost like a turtle bite. Just a big chunk. I don't know what else could take a big chunk like that. Not the best one, but 23, 24 incher. Oh god. Okay. That works out. Fuck me.
Rolling. Videos were booming.
I'm on. This might be a walleye. Just wait. Just wait. It is a walleye. No, it's another pike. This guy didn't even fight. Now he's gonna fight. huge pike eye. Come on now. It's a chunky one. Yeah, now he's gonna fight. All the way in though, he didn't do anything. That's a decent one. Well, it's that kind of day.
I think we got a good spot for seeing that.
3 pike. Well, it used to be my walleye spot. Oh, he's unhooked.
Was that on the live stream site?
Of course it was. Oh god, it's not a bad one. It's healthy. No chunks taken out of him. Yeah, basically. Alright. It is. Oh my god. Let's do it every time. Oh no, now he's in. Alright, go away. Every time. Well, I wasn't recording, but I still have the fish in my hand. Get him in the sun. Walleye. On the chatterbait. Finally something else than a pike. Which I love pike, but you know, need some differentiation sometimes. Be a nice dinner plate, but it's his lucky day. You see one? Yeah. Get him. Sight fish that boy. Let's go. Is it net worthy?
Well, just because it's light, right?
That's a bass. Let's go.
You could say I sight fished that fish.
That's crazy.
I saw a little shadow as we're approaching it. Yeah.
That is crazy. Finally a bass.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is that a keeper?
It's close.
Very close.
There he goes. Lovely. Third bass of the day. I still haven't caught one. Oh, nice. It's a bass. You want the net? All right. On the bass bite.
We're on something. Thank you. I felt like a little something in the back, like just a little unnatural feeling, and I set the hook on this.
Lovely how that works out.
Now this,
That's a keeper.
I think this is 14 inches.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 13 inches.
So you'd be at 3 keepers.
Yeah.
I'd still have 0. But if this was a pike tournament, I'd be crushing it.
Oh, you could turn it. On, right?
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, big fish, big fish, big fish, big fish, big fish.
Come on. It's what we needed.
I think it's a bite.
Big pike.
Very heavy. Very, very heavy.
I am.
It did pull drag.
Oh, what is it? It's decent.
It's not even a big pike.
So they either fight
Damn.
like crazy or they don't fight at all. Oh boy, that's not helping. Oh, he swam out. Oh god.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. What do we do? I don't know if he's hooked or not. I don't see the bait.
Gosh.
Oh, there's the bait.
Is it in the mouth?
It's outside of it, I think. Most of the bait's outside.
Oh crap. Look at that. Get
Beautiful.
out of here.
Yes.
I'm just gonna toss it.
Okay. Yeet. There he goes. Nice. Come on. Oh, guess what? I don't need the net. Whatever. I've caught her. No, I'll just unhook him at the side of the boat. We're marking panfish again. We catch 2 pike. All right, another skinny. Wow, this guy's really skinny. Check him out. He's skinny as hell. Go eat some of those panfish down there.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, what do we have here? Oh boy. That is a tournament winning bass.
Bass of the year.
Hey, it's your 5th bass, isn't it?
Annihilated the chatter.
Yes! I'll have to zoom in on that so they can see it. You have a fish? Oh, you do?
Mama.
No way. Yo. We're crushing the multi-species today.
Wait, how did I have a fish?
Wait, should I try to get it on there, double up?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can double.
Wait, how did I? Where was I at? I even got a fish over there. It's not, I think my bait was stuck over something, and it was just like sitting on top of the water.
Huh.
I mean, it's a dink smallie, but it's
Yeah.
small.
Hey. Let's go. No double up. I failed. We tried. I'm on. Nice fish. It's a pike. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, he's nice. Decent one though. Might be the biggest of the day.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Okay, I'll take them when they're that big. Thank you, sir. I'm on. Oh my God, it's a bass. It's a smallmouth. No, a largemouth. It's a nice bass. Oh my God. You need to get this. Look at him digging. Oh, this is a smallmouth. Dude, let's go. I did it. I still not a largemouth.
Fuck yeah.
No, that's a bad.
There we go.
God, look at how we choked it. Dude, look at that. Down the hatch.
What do you wanted it?
Sick.
Okay, let me make sure it's not broken. Good.
Nice. Oh. About a pound smallmouth. That'd be a keeper for a tournament. I'd finally have a keeper fish.
Yeah, maybe a keeper.
It only took 8 hours of fishing.
Honestly, we'd be heading back in like 20 minutes.
Oh yeah. Hey, who knows? Maybe that'd be a tournament winning fish.
Yeah.
I'm on.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Pike or bass?
Don't know yet. It's a bass. Wait, no. It's a nice, another nice pike.
Oh my God, Pike. Wow.
Wow. Damn. That might have been the biggest of the day.
That was, I
was-
didn't get a good look, but,
That was big.
I mean, I got a good look, but I didn't see a good look at the bottom, you know.
Yeah. Dang. First cast of the new spot. Oh. Oh wow, did you see that? Another pike.
Oh.
He came out of nowhere and just ate it. I don't even eat the net. There's been enough of these guys today where I'll just unhook this guy at the boat.
Tilapia fought harder than a pike.
Dude, this guy, he just showed up right here. Didn't even fight. Nope, that works.
Yeah.
Easy release.
I mean, I'll be honest. Cichlid and
Nice. Net?
yes.
Oh, wow.
That's a nice fish, that's a nice fish, that's a nice fish, that's a nice fish.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it is. Two, let's go. Come on. And you almost didn't want to fish these docks.
Dude, these docks are good.
Drop that point, baby. 2.86.
That's okay.
Healthy
There's
fish.
no way.
Beautiful fish.
Really?
2.86. Scale don't lie. Shouldn't.
Yeah,
Let's get the camera one more look.
When you look at it in the picture, it's not as...
Lovely
it's a nice
fish. Very
Really
beautiful
nice
fish. Back to his dock he goes.
Gosh, it's good.
Beautiful.